Today on Survival Homestead Teaching Farm, we will be talking about lemons and why they are essential to grow. It doesn't matter what climate you live in, you can grow them. Most climates in the United States require lemon trees to be in pots instead of in the ground that can be transported inside in the colder months. We have two dwarf Meyer lemon trees. The dwarf doesn't mean the fruit is small, it only means the entire tree will reach 5 to 7 feet tall, whereas a regular lemon tree can reach 20 feet tall or taller. They also take several years to begin producing fruit, whereas the dwarf Meyer lemon trees take a lot less time. Lemons are high in vitamin C, fiber, and various beneficial plant compounds. These nutrients are responsible for several health benefits, including supporting heart health, helping to control weight, preventing kidney stones, protecting against anemia, reducing cancer risks, and improving digestive health. So why are lemons a must on our homestead? Let's take a look at all the ways we can use lemons. Clean cutting boards. Make cleaners for the home. Make air fresheners. Kill weeds. Alleviate sore throats. Help with bad breath. Give you hair shine. Settle an upset stomach. Clean discolored utensils. Exfoliate your face with lemon and salt. Remove odors from wooden utensils. Help remove rust. Act as an insect deterrent. Remove scratches on furniture. Polish the furniture. Get grimy cotton socks white again and help with the compost pile. But the thing that I like the most about having lemons on our farm is the citric acid. Citric acid is needed to make sour cream, and I love sour cream. It's a fermented food that is good for your gut and tasty. In order to make sour cream, you simply add lemon juice to cream and let it sit on the countertop overnight. The next day, place it in cold storage and you are good to go. The acidic acid that's already in the lemons help to make the cream curdle and therefore makes sour cream. What you make at home may not be as thick as what you purchase pre-made in the store. That's because it doesn't have the harmful preservatives in it. Like I said before, we have two lemon trees. We bring them inside during colder weather and take them outside in the warmer summer months. You can see here that they are beginning to bud. The flowers are what makes the fruit. If you have a heated greenhouse, this is the perfect place to grow lemon trees. If not, bringing them indoors to grow is simple, as long as you have ample grow lights on the trees. It is very simple to grow, and I encourage everyone to try it. I worry about pesticides and chemicals sprayed on store-bought lemons, but if you grow it yourself, you know it is good and healthy for your body. We here at Survival Homestead Teaching Farm appreciate you watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.